Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will learn about application for school leaving certificate. The principal, Hera School and College Dargah. Subject, application for school leaving certificate. Respected sir, with due respect, this is to inform you that my father has been transferred from Dargah to Peshawar. We also wanted to shift with him. Therefore, kindly grant me school leaving certificate so that I may continue my study. I shall be very thankful to you for this kindness. Your obedient student, name, date 2020, 12/15. Class, roll number. Tab here, teacher, wine, and channel. Subscribe it and then click the bell icon to subscribe.